All right, so we're back on the Voyager, the Seas, Promenade View Stateroom 6559. Let's take a look. So as we first walk in, over here on the left, we've got a closet with, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe a 5th shelf for some storage. We do have a safe there. Lots of coat hangers, and then of course the pull-down racks that we had last time. Over on the other side of the bathroom, we'll check that out here in a second. You can divide the beds up so that they're separated into 2 singles, or we've set this up as a king-size bed. Over to the left, we've got a television with 3 storage areas, as well as 4 drawers down here. Pretty good size drawers. Looks like we had some tissues in there. This is a connecting stateroom, so if we had the room next to us, we'd be able to open that up and have access to that stateroom. Over here on the vanity, it looks like we've got 2 shelves. I believe these are going to open up, which they do, so we've got some more storage over there. Looks like 2 standard 120 outlets there. Remote, some information on how to get logged into internet and things like that. We've got the European style light switch for the vanity. There we go. Storage in this mirror as well. Down here in this compartment, we do have access to a cooler. It's not going to stay super cold, but it's going to do just fine for what we need for a couple of beverages, maybe a bottle of wine. Let's just take a look out the window to Cafe Promenade. Amazing. And there's actually music playing right now. I don't know if you can hear it. It's not super loud, so it is fairly soundproof in here, at least on this side of the promenade. In front of the window, we do have a couch. There is another smaller chair here. Got a phone with an end table and another place for storage here. The bed with 2 lamps, reading lights on either side. Over here, another end table with storage. Then I believe this is just going to be a standard Royal Caribbean bathroom. So yeah, we've got the sink. Storage is going to be inside of the mirror there. Some rack space up above the toilet. And the shower, of course, with that handle for the shower. I think this is going to be absolutely perfect for what we need. Let me know, do you prefer kind of these interior staterooms that have the window to the promenade? Would you ever stay in here? Let me know down in the comments. Until next time, we'll see you.